Hi, new look Kerry. Look, new apron. Things are looking up. Welcome back to Kerry's Kitchen. I'm glad you could make it. I've started breakfast. I hope you're hungry because today it's a frittata. I want to show you how to do a quick, easy frittata, a one-pan thing. Let me show you. Beautiful. I've already got the onions and I've got the potatoes diced. And I'm going to, oh bugger, I put that down. Oh, that's okay. I've got these. These are silicone and you can put your pot down anywhere you want. And for the first 5 people who likes and shares my video, I'm going to keep cooking this for about 20 minutes and I'm going to add in my other ingredients to all this. I've got my onions and potatoes cooking and they've been cooking along very nicely. I'm going to add in some mushrooms to this, get them cooking, mix them in nicely. I'll leave them big and chunky. And I'm going to add some jalapeno. I don't know how many like jalapeno, but I love jalapeno and I love a little bit hot into it. I left them chunky as well. Looking good. I want to add in my capsicum. Now these capsicums I have roasted and I preserved them, so I'm going to add them in. I've left them big and chunky as well. And I'm just going to let that keep going through. Now let's go to the next part of this. Now we've got everything cooking in the frying pan. I'm going to add my next ingredients. I'm going to get a little bowl and I'm going to break, for me, I'm happy to do 3 eggs in this. 1. These eggs came from the market today. And straight off the farm. 3 eggs are in. I'm going to get my whisk and I'm just going to whisk it. I'm going to keep whisking. I'm not going to add anything else. All I want to add is some salt and pepper and that's it. I'm going to keep whisking because I want it nice and fluffy. And I'm just going to keep going with this. So now I'm going to put some salt in. A couple of pinches of salt. Pepper, bit of pepper, a bit more salt. It's all ready. Now I'm going to get my frying pan. There's my frying pan. Oh, I put it onto the silicone again. I've put it onto my silicone. Look at that. I can put it on there. I'm going to add my eggs. And just put it in there. See how fluffy they are. So I've got my wooden spoon now, and I'm just going to mix all that through. Try and get the edges in. Remember, that's just straight egg. Just straight egg, whisked and made through. Back on the stove, and I'm just going to separate the edges a little bit. Just run my spatula around. My people's preferences, I love blue cheese. So I'm going to crumble a little bit of blue cheese over the top. You don't have to do that. You don't have to put any cheese on. You can put anything you like. Remember, this is only my interpretation of a frittata. If you want to add just eggs to the potatoes and onions, then that's what you do. There's dressings and toppings you can do, but personally, I love a little bit of blue cheese and I love mixing it around. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven and I can put the whole frying pan in the oven. That's looking perfect. Let's get it out. On to my silicone pad. That's looking really good. My blue cheese is melted. Everything looks cooked. Let's plate this up. So I've just flipped it and look at that. That's beautiful. Wowee. Now we need to put some garnish. It's ready. I've got some homemade ivar. Ivar is roasted capsicum, eggplant, onion and olive oil. So I've got some of that and I'm just going to put some of that on the side. Look at that. Just for a little bit more. Optional for people. And to have with this we need a little bit of beautiful spinach. Maybe some for each, you know. corner to mix in, some spinach. And I've got some tomatoes here. Some nice tomatoes. Bit of chilli for looking. Who said they're not hungry? Well, I think you might be hungry now. This is looking fantastic. Bit of chilli if you want. There you go. Frittata. Simple, easy, potatoes, onions, cooked in oil. Then I've added in some capsicums, some mushrooms, and you know, and don't forget the jalapenos. Then I put a little bit of blue cheese, which is optional for you. It's fantastic. Well, thank you for that week. This week's been fantastic. And don't forget, first people who like it and share me, get one of these sent out to you. Just message me and we'll get them an address to send it to. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next week. Thank you. Have a good week.